Hi, beautiful souls. I hope y'all doing well. I want to do a love reading because I feel like I've come across like a lot of couples. I feel like I'm talking to a new love as well. There's a lot of new love about. So you might be somebody who is in a new relationship or who's going to get into a new relationship. You could always save this video and come back to it if you feel like you're not there yet, but you feel like this is talking to you. Okay, let's see what messages come forward. What messages do you have? Ancestors, spirit guides of the highest way, baby. Okay, so I don't know why I'm sensing, or I don't know, what's coming to my mind is a touchy-feely relationship. Oh, you guys are very connected to birds, and I'm sensing, I'm hearing lovebirds. So when people see you guys, they're like, oh, what cute lovebirds. Maybe you've heard that a couple of times, or you're going to hear that after this reading. You're going to get that from people. Wrongs and rights aligned. So with this person, they're going to make you feel like everything that you've been through, they can right. Like, it was so worth the wait is another thing that I'm getting. But I'm sensing like somebody who's not fully healed. And it's okay if you've not fully healed. But don't let the past hold you back. Sometimes you may have feelings of, yeah, I thought I met the right person in the past and they ended up being not the right person. Don't compare the past to this relationship. Don't do that. Everything in the past has happened for a reason, and look at where you are right now. Like, you have thrived since that last relationship or last relationships. When the fear of what if this is not going to last comes up in your mind or in your heart, just tell yourself you've been there before and you've not only survived it, but you have overcome it with amazing lessons and with flying colors. So it's not the end of the world, but I'm sensing this is an amazing relationship for you to grow in. Okay, everyone around me can see the happiness I found. So wow, people around this person sense a change in them. This person's a good person. I can sense that this person's loved by a lot of people. Like, everybody that this person, female or male, this person that you've met, that you're in a relationship with or in like talking stage with, they're a very loved individual. I'm sensing somebody who's quite known as well. Quite known by a lot of people. They've helped a lot of people is what I'm sensing. Trustworthy person. Okay, so this is by Nelson Mandela, and he says, the greatest living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. It's a bit like what I said before, like, you love easily. You're a very loving person. You love unconditionally, and you see the best qualities in people, even when they don't have a lot of best qualities and they have like some shadow qualities. You see the hurt in people. You're a very nurturing person, but this person is nothing like that. This person, you're not connecting to this person because of their hurt. Maybe you've done a lot of trauma bonding in the past that makes you afraid of the truth coming out. So when we trauma bond at the beginning, things are like this, and then the wall just starts crumbling down, and all the facade and all the masks come off, and you're somebody who's very used to that. You've actually picked up on a lot of like deception, like you read people very well because of your past, and this person's not giving you any red flags, which is a good thing. So yeah, rising every time we fall. So you've picked yourself up very well in the past when the relationship doesn't go well. You're probably somebody who always tells himself it wasn't the right person. So you know how to pick yourself up really well. Just remind yourself that whenever those fearful thoughts creep in, there's gonna be some shocking news. They're gonna share something with you. They're gonna share something with you. They're gonna tell you something important. I'm going to need to hold you for the whole day. So you both feel like you just want to hold each other, which is so freaking cute. That's cute. Look at that. It says full package. You are everything and more. So this person feels like you're exactly everything. Okay, this is a divine relationship because they feel like they know you and you feel like you know them. You feel very connected. And it doesn't, I'm not just saying like you guys feel connected like chemistry wise. I'm saying you guys know each other. Your souls know each other. Your energy. This is not new. I mean, it's a new relationship. It is a new relationship. But you guys knew each other. Either you guys knew each other in a past life, or you guys knew each other a couple of years back. So maybe you're afraid of this relationship working out because of what happened in the past with this person. Okay, warning, disclaimer, whatever, side note. I don't know what to call it. You're very fertile right now, so be careful if you don't want any children, or if you don't want to have any children with her. There's a lot of like fertility. Okay. You have a pure soul. You have a pure heart. This is beautiful. I will make sure you never question my love. Maybe it's a good thing for you to open up to this person, because would you even want to end up with somebody that you can't be vulnerable with, who has that immature mentality of it wasn't the time to like speak on very deep conversations or feelings at the beginning of a relationship? I personally wouldn't want somebody who thinks like that, but if there's a little bit of scarcity, communicate with this person, and this is how they feel.